So I'll be completely honest, I'm a busy mom, a busy wife. I'm almost 43 years old, and getting older, my joints start to hurt, my nails start breaking, my hair is falling out, and I have trouble going poop. I'm going to be honest. So I decided to give these Vital Proteins a try. I got Collagen Peptides Advanced container, and I've been using it for going on 6 months. And I will tell you that I start every day with it. I put a little bit of vanilla flavored yogurt into my cup, and then I pour in some frozen strawberries. I add 2 bananas just because I absolutely love bananas, and they make me feel great. And then I sprinkle in some of the Vital Proteins. I don't measure it out because, again, I'm lazy. I am busy. I have too many things going on at one time. I've just eyeballed it. I know what it looks like. I just sprinkle some in, and then I top it with a little bit more yogurt. I throw it on the blender, and it's ready in no time. I'm able to go out the door with it, walk the dogs with it, go in my car with it. I do top it with a little bit of whipped cream just because it's delicious. It makes it feel like it's something sweet. It's got vitamin C, which has really helped my joints. I absolutely love it. I have it on auto ship. It arrives at my door before I'm finished with the last container because I cannot go a day without it.